Hi everyone! Welcome to another week of the M3 Creative Academy Christmas Music Workshop. My name is Darby Gerlicher, and this week I will be teaching you how to play O Come All Ye Faithful. This advanced version of the song is written by our own Lisa Carter, and I think she did a beautiful job. It's a great contrast to last week because last week we had a nice big, joyful, bold rendition of Joy to the World, but this week's rendition of O Come All Ye Faithful is sweet and gentle and quieter. So let's get going. In this piece, the right hand is actually the backup. The left hand gets the melody, and the right hand has a lovely bell-like accompaniment. So this is a good chance to practice your gentle playing in your lyrical left hand. So let's start with the right hand. The first thing we'll notice is that it starts with an 8 VA with a bunch of dots at the top. What's that? Well, that means the right hand actually plays an octave higher than is written. So instead of starting here, your right hand will start all the way up here. Now, if you can't reach an octave, no problem. We can instead have you alternate the top two notes that are written for the right hand if an octave doesn't work for you. So you can still play. So the first two measures are the same. And now, in measure 3, that middle note changes. So in this piece, watch for those moving lines, like the middle line here in this section. Bring out the middle moving notes. Here's measure 4. So you can build finger strength by really bringing out the moving notes. In measure 10, you see the dotted line ends. So that actually means we come back down and we play the right hand as written instead of an octave higher. And now the moving notes are actually at the high end. So bring out that pinky strength and bring out the melody there. Here's measure 10. Measure 14. You can hold that fermata. Great. Now let's go to the left hand. So this left hand part is generally straightforward. It's a single melodic line. So just notice that at the beginning it starts in the treble clef, so it's up a little higher. And that fermata in measure 9. Now we move down a little bit. Going on. It becomes a little fuller. You can bring out the bass there. It's a nice bass line. Great, so become comfortable with each hand alone, especially the right hand. Some of those moving parts you can miss them because they're small notes. So get comfortable with just the right hand alone, then you can put it together. So I'm going to play it all the way through. You can follow along in your music. So if you're comfortable using the pedal, go ahead and use a little bit of that to fill it out. Don't use too much or it'll get muddy. But I hope you enjoy learning this piece. Get some good practice in using your gentle tone up high with the right hand and your good lyrical left hand. Have fun and Merry Christmas!